Welcome you guys to the drawittoo Studio version number 3. What's going on you guys? Ramny here with a brand new vlog video, and yeah, this is a vlog video, not a drawing tutorial. Again, I know you guys have been waiting patiently for a tutorial on this channel, and believe me, me too. And I'm sort of almost ready to make one, so do expect one very soon you guys. And yes, I want to formally welcome you guys to drawittoo Studio, the brand new drawittoo Studio version number 3. As I've mentioned, this is the third studio, the third space that I have designated to make my videos and all that stuff. If you guys have not seen my previous vlog videos, you guys might not know that I have just recently moved to a brand new house. This is a spare bedroom in the brand new house, and yeah, so that's what that is. So let me just, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pan, and I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of what's going on in this studio. So you guys can see, I've sort of paid a little bit more attention to the lighting in this office space. And yeah, the main thing are these lights that I have up there. Those are purple, so I think I'm going to start creating like a purple theme for this YouTube channel. So the reason why I chose purple is because I have blue shelves here and I have red shelves over here. And of course, if you combine them together, they become purple. It's just a coincidence. I'm also wearing a red shirt. But yeah, I was originally going to paint this wall blue, but I think the lights kind of do a good enough job of, you know, changing the color up a little bit in this space. So I think I'm going to leave it white, but I haven't put up anything on the walls yet, aside from that thing that I put up, which is where I'm going to be writing a whole bunch of like things, reminders and all that stuff. That's just the whiteboard. Yeah, it's a lot of talking. It's been a while since I made one of these videos, and after a while it gets a little bit difficult to start up again. But anyway, let me pan the camera and let you guys know what's going on. So this right here are my computer. This is where I edit and all that stuff. Let me turn this off so you guys can see what's going on. This right here is my iMac. I can't move the camera. It's sort of staying in place here, so I can't really move it or anything. So here is my iMac right here. This is the second monitor that I have for it. If you guys can see this right here, this is this white shelving. This is where I keep a whole bunch of my action figures that I don't have displayed, because, well, this studio space is a lot smaller than the studio spaces that I've had before. So there's a lot of like action figures. You guys probably know that I do collect Marvel Legends action figures. I actually just recently got this guy. You guys know what this is? War Machine. Yeah, recently got him. Yeah, I collect Marvel Legends action figures, and I usually have them in display behind me, but lately been trying to find space for my entire collection, which is impossible. I have way too much. Yeah, so that's what that is. This right here, this is where I get to edit my videos and things like that. So that's what this is right here. So that's pretty cool. And this right here obviously is my recording. This is where I record my vlogs, and the intros to my videos is going to be right here with this as my background. So if you guys can see, you guys probably notice I have these guys up on display. They're already standing up and stuff, so that's pretty good. I have like a box in the corner over there because I'm waiting on another shelf, another red shelf that I'm going to put right here. Problem is, I think they might have discontinued these red shelves, so I'm sort of debating whether I should wait a little bit to see if they'll sell it again, or buy a brand new color. Now, if I buy a brand new color shelf, it's gonna throw off like my idea of like the red and the blue. So that's one of the reasons why I'm waiting. But like, I have a box right there of things to put on a shelf once I buy it, once I put it right there. I have to buy a smaller one because the door is right here. So that's what that is. So that's what that side looks like. And now this side right here, this is my blue shelf. You guys probably notice I don't have the action figures on display yet. I have them in Ziploc bags still. And right directly behind me is a detolf shelf I got from IKEA. That is where I'm going to put like a lot of the big stuff on display, but I haven't really put them up yet. It actually takes a while to take out your action figures and then put them on shelves, because when you put your action figures on shelves, or when I do anyway, I have to think about, you know, what teams they're in. So I got to put a Spider-Man shelf right here, and then you got to put like the other like Venom related characters right here, so like all the symbiote characters, you know, and then you have to put like Spider-Man bad guys, or which ones should go together, so that kind of thing. So each square right here represents like a different section of the Marvel universe, you know what I mean? So yeah, actually, if you guys don't know, I do have a vlog channel where I have posted my action figure collection, so if you guys are interested in that, I'll put a link down in the description. Anyway, so there's that. Very disorganized still, so I'm still kind of working on that. I do have a third purple light that is on the floor that's lighting upwards, so that's what's lighting up the shelves right now. Otherwise it would be completely pitch black. The cool thing excuse me, the cool thing is I have this remote that I can use to control them, so I can turn off that lighting. So that's what that looks like with that light turned off. I can turn off those lights as well, so that's what that looks like. And yeah, like I said, I'm paying a little bit more attention to the lighting in the room, kind of creating this like 3-point lighting. So I'm actually using my computer right here to light up this side. I also have another studio light up here, which I can turn off. That's what that looks like if I have that turned off. So that's what that's looking like. And then if I pan this way, I have this light right here, which serves two purposes. It actually acts as a fill light for my like talking videos like this. So if I turn this off, this is what this looks like. Okay, so if I turn it on, it adds like a little bit of a light on this side of me, right? But if you guys probably already deduced, this is my drawing table, and I recently just got this thing. I had to get it imported from the United States. It cost like $200, and then it costs like a lot more money to pay for import taxes to have it delivered here in Thailand. But I bought it specifically because it's meant for an overhead camera to be placed on top, so that I can draw here. And yeah, it should make my videos a little bit better now. Hopefully. I don't know if you guys will really notice anything drastic, but to me, this right here, which like it's a lot more stable than before. I have it screwed onto my desk, so it's pretty sturdy. So very excited about that. Yeah, you guys will notice that I will have a new background to my drawing tutorials, and I'll show you guys that when I do my first drawing tutorial. Anyway, I think that is all, you guys. I'm very excited to be here. There's still a lot of work to be done. This office is still in the process of being utilized to the max because of all the space that I have lost. Like, I don't have that much office space anymore, so I'm kind of making sure that every single part of this office is being used for something. I do have to buy some brand new tools just to get stuff onto the walls. So I have to buy this thing called a hammer drill, because the walls are made of like pure dense concrete, which is good. I feel safe in it, and it feels soundproof. Like this room, like if I make noise, it won't bother the other rooms, because like, yeah, like my daughter's bedroom is right here, the master bedroom is like straight across. So yeah, that's one of the things I have to make sure about. Anyway, so yeah, I have to buy a hammer drill to drill through the walls so that I can install shelving. So I do want to, like that, this wall right here looks pretty bare. I do want to put something on it, and can't think of anything else to say, you guys, except yes, definitely stay tuned to this channel, because I will have some new tutorials for you guys. Very excited to be here. And thank you so much for being super patient with me as I reprioritize. I've had to, you know, drop the YouTube channel a little bit so that I can focus on other aspects of life. Yeah, like I said, the reason why I moved here is because I got a new job and in a brand new school. So I'm actually going through a lot of training for that. If you guys know, well, you guys, a few of you guys might know what an IB school is. This turned off. So if I have my if I have my computer turned off, this is what it looks like. So the lighting, I'm definitely paying very close attention to making sure that the lighting is nice and like it's dark, but it's like creating a little bit of ambience. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, new job, new for me. I'm in an IB international school, so having to learn IB, having to learn brand new curriculum. So we're doing like different types of curriculum. We have like an American curriculum. We use the Finnish school system, which is like the school system from Finland, and all that stuff. So there's a lot, like my brain gets fried going through all these training in the daytime. When I come home, all I really want to do is just sit and relax. And I still have like boxes of things that still have not been unpacked in this house. So there's still a lot of work to be done. So having to, you know, drop the YouTube channel so I can focus on, you know, making sure that my family's settled was one of the things that I've had to do. So thank you for your understanding as I go through all of that. It's a difficult process. I still feel anxiety, I still feel stressed, but at the same time, I'm starting to feel at ease, starting to feel at home with a whole bunch of stuff. So anyway, I have rambled on long enough, you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around, and definitely stay tuned for more videos, vlog videos like this one, and tutorials especially. Anyway, that is it for me for this vlog. I will catch you guys next time. Take care.